What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo, and in today's video I'm happy to tell you that I just have found the best chart maker or chart builder or graphics builder WordPress plugin ever, and the best part, it's free. So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not just international sites favor. So let's get this started. As you may know, or as you may not see at this point, have data displayed properly onto your WordPress website. It's essential for any site success. So imagine that you have an interactive graphics, interactive charts into your site to display your data in an elegant way. This is essential for success, okay? And how to do this without coding, without a very complicated way. So let's learn how to do this into a very simple and effective way, okay? Let's get this started. Very first thing to do is find how. I find this plugin right here, the Chartify. It's an amazing WordPress chart plugin from Chart Builder team. This guy's right here. I'm gonna explore and talk about it later, but let's learn how to install this. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover a mouse over plugins. Into this, click on Add New Plugin button, okay? Into the upper right corner of the screen, you're gonna be able to see next to keyword a field called Search Plugins. Right here, we're gonna type the Chartify, okay? And this is the guide that we're gonna be installed by Chart Builder team, okay? Click on Install now, and click into the Activate button. Plugin is now installed on your site into a very effective and simple way. Now we're gonna be able to see next to your posts into the left sidebar of menus a new button called Chart Builder. We're gonna hover a mouse over it and click on All Charts. Right here, we can see that the plugin by default creates you a new chart, okay? And we have options to upgrade. I'm gonna talk about it later. Demo content. Let me show you the demo content. As you can see, we have some interactive graphics right here that you can review the data from, and very different ways to display data into an elegant way. Amazing graphic. Organization chart. This is awesome for display your team members. And we have more demo contents right here. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. We can contact the support, we can make a suggestion or contact the team. By default, the plugin gives you the default chart. Let's apply this chart into a page before we can start customizing it, okay? So there is a short code, can you see? We're gonna copy that by clicking into this button. Now we can move to any section or page of our site that would like to have this chart added. In my case, I'm gonna click on Page, Add New Page. All we have to do, let's apply a title for this page. Just enter the code. Blocks editor automatically gonna find that is a short code and apply this block for you. So just paste the code. Now publish the page. Let's explore our page. Here is our default chart. If I hover my mouse over the numbers, we can see the caption of it, okay? Nice, right? What else we can do? Let's go back to our Chart Builder plugin. Go to the default chart. And here we can start customizing it in the case that we want. We can save and close or save. And if you scroll down, we can see from the right sidebar of menus, the source, settings, styles, and by settings, okay? So first thing, this is the first reason why you should upgrade for the Pro version if you enjoy this plugin. you can import data from files, okay? So it's a very good way to work with, because it's gonna save you tons of time. Also, you can connect with Google Sheets. This is amazing. Imagine that you can display the Google Sheets data that your team works, that your team share with you onto your WordPress by a connection. So it's really simple, and of course you need to upgrade for it. So a great reason to upgrade. Another option, if you are a developer, is connect to databases. So basically, if you are a developer, you can have unlimited possibilities with this kind of connections, because you can collect data from any kind of source. But we are using the free version, so we're gonna use the manual data. First thing, user rules, okay? You can change the title of user rules, and visits we can change for percentage, for example, or for anything that you imagine. And in the case that you want to apply a new option, you can click on add raw, and you're gonna apply a new field. Testers. Let's preview. And here is the results we got. What else we can do? First thing, we can change the title of the chart in the case that you want. Let's move to settings so we can explore this later. First thing, charts status. We can enable or disable it. Chart description. This is a way to share more info about your chart. Let me save the change. Now let's reload the page so you can see the results. Can you see? Now we have some options to share more about the chart, okay? So a description for the chart, title and description. And here is the chart. What else we can do? The author can be changed. Show chart title, show chart description, enable interactivity. So if you disable this option, you're no longer going to be able to hover your mouse over the numbers and see the legends, okay? Up to you. We have the tooltip options. Right here we can change the trigger, the color code, the text color, the font size, italic or not, bold or not. For the legend, we can do the same settings right here, okay? But you can change the position, in the case that you need, the alignment, font color, size, bold and italic. In the case that you want now to talk about live chart, you may need to upgrade to the Pro version. So another good reason to upgrade. Front-end actions, so you can apply actions to your chart, but this is only if you are a pro user of the plugin. Let's move now to styles tab, and we can change the widget for percentage or pixels. If you change the widget, don't forget to enable the responsive widget, okay? This is very important, okay? The position of the chart can be changed in the case that you want, from right, from center, the height, the font size, up to you. I prefer bigger font size, but it's up to you. We can change the background color. Let me apply this one like this. We can apply a transparent background. We can apply a border to our chart if you find it's important, and a border radius. We can apply some spacing, margin. We can change the title color, title font, bold, italic, the position, and the gap. And same for the description. So we basically can customize everything. After doing your change, don't forget to hit the save button. Let's review our chart. And here is the results we got. Looks good, right? Remember, you can apply this chart in any section that you want on your site, okay? Even into columns. Now let's go to add new chart so we can explore the options we have. Basically, we have 5 options for display charts. We have the line chart, bar, pie, column, and on chart. So we have a couple of options. And if you are a pro user, so another reason to upgrade, you have many extra options to charts. Okay, so basically you have all the chart options that exist. Basically my favorite one is the 3D pie, okay, but up to you. Let's choose another one, maybe the line chart. What do you think about? Let's go next. And right here we have the first line of the chart. We can change the orientations. First thing, we're gonna enter a title for our chart. And let's move to manual data in order to customize our chart. We have country and reputation. We can apply a new country right here in the case that I want. I'm gonna save my change and close because I will not customize this chart. And let me explain you. Great job. Your chart is created. Let me copy the shortcode. Done. You can copy the shortcode like this as well. And let's learn how to apply this chart into an Elementor made page. Let me go to my home page. Imagine that you made your page using Elementor Page Builder plugin on your site. Click on Edit with Elementor. Wait for the page loads. Now, where would you like to apply your chart? In my case, it's gonna be into this section right here. Let me click on plus button. I would like that the chart have the entire page, so just like this. I'm gonna click into this plus button. We can apply a container, or we can enter with from the left sidebar of menus. Click into the elements and search for shortcodes, just like this. Enter your shortcode. Update the page. Nothing to worry, Elementor gonna take a little bit of time to reload the page, but if you go to the page front end and review the bottom of the page, here is our chart. Nice, working and fully interactive. Really good, right? Now that you learn how to edit and customize your charts, let's explore extra features of the plugin, okay? We have the general settings. In the case that you want to customize this, you're gonna need to upgrade for Pro. And we have integrations. Once again, you're gonna need to upgrade to Pro for integrations. It's a very good way that you can integrate this with Google, okay? We have a how to use. There is the community video tutorials and explaining, sharing the plugin documentation in order to learn how to use the plugin. We have the products of this developer. We have Quiz Maker, Survey Maker, Poll Maker, Pop-up Box, Secure Copy Content Protection. This is a very good plugin. I will do a video about it later. AI Assistant and Easy Forms. We think we already have a tutorial explaining how to use the Quiz Maker and the Survey Maker plugins, but I'm gonna search for it later. We have thousands of videos. So, Pro features. They are with a promotion, but basically they have 3 plans. The personal for free and for one site. The business, there is basically all the Pro features unlocked, however, only for 5 sites and 2 months of support, okay? And the best one that is for developer, that is for unlimited sites. So imagine that you have more than just 5 clients. You may need this plugin for a lot of sites. So the developer one, it's the best option for you. I'm gonna leave a link into the video description for the developer site, okay? So you can see how to use the plugin, see how to purchase the plugin, but you can do this from here. If you click into this button, you're gonna be redirected. And here is the options. 20 plus chart, 50 settings, and 4 data sources, okay? All unlocked for you, including, of course, their support. There is some testimonials. They are with a promotion, so I recommend that you search for this. And here is the options you have, okay? If you click on buy now, all you have to do is complete your order and they offer money back guarantee. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the plugin developer site and let me know into the comments in the case that you need some help. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.